like my beef extra rare.
Beef provides nutrients like zinc, iron, protein, and B vitamins.
The fats found in beef are monounsaturated, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil.
Beef gives you energy, and feeling energized and strong makes you feel sexy.
Beef can be cooked in many different ways.
Some delicious hamburger helper.
Big old hamburger patty. Don't get better than this.
The only thing that can maybe get better than a hamburger patty is my slow-cooked roast.
To make great steak, all you need is steak, and salt, and pepper.
Steak helps me do jujitsu.
Get you some beef today!
Call 1-800-GET-BEEF.